Welcome to Social Champ's Auto RSS feature tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to automatically post content from different websites to your social media accounts using RSS feeds. Let's get started. First, log in to your Social Champ account. Once you're logged in, look at the column on the left and you'll find Auto RSS. Click on it. Now, click on the Add RSS Links button, located right in front of you. When you click on it, you'll need to provide some information. Start by typing the website name you want to pull content from. Then, paste the RSS link for that website into the given slot. If you're not sure which RSS feeds to use, you can also click the Suggested RSS Feeds button to explore trending options. Once you've added the ERSS link, select the social media accounts where you want to publish your RSS posts. Now it's time to set up the RSS post format. First, specify the frequency at which you want posts to be published on your chosen social accounts. Next, you can customize your feed post behavior. Choose the latest posts to have the newest incoming posts automatically posted, or select in a sequence to post older content that wasn't shared due to daily limits. You can also decide whether you want to post content immediately or add it to a queue. Lastly, you can enable or disable the option to use images or customize RSS links. Then, optimize your RSS posts by adding a title, link, and description as per your preference. For more advanced customization, use the Advanced Settings option. You can switch on the toggle if you want to repeat your RSS posts. Once you've configured all your preferences, click the Add RSS button. After adding the ERSS feed, you can easily manage it. You can edit, delete, enable, or disable your activated feeds based on your needs. And that's a wrap, champs. Auto RSS feature is as easy as pie with Social Champ. Thanks for tuning in.